Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To customize your company's time settings for timesheet entry, click the Settings button. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Time Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. The Time Settings category contains the General and Timesheet sections. To edit the individual settings in each section, click anywhere in a section to activate its settings. To select which day is the first day of the work week for time tracking, click the General section. Then select the desired day from the First Day of Work Week dropdown. To save your changes, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button instead. To edit the settings for timesheet entries, click the Timesheet section. To add a service field to timesheets that lets you specify which services were performed for a customer, ensure the Show Service Field toggle switch is set to the On position. To add a billable hour checkbox to your timesheet so you can bill customers for timesheet activity, ensure the Allow Time to be Billable toggle switch is set to the On position. To show the billing rate to users who enter time, check the Show Billing Rate to Users Entering Time checkbox. If you bill a different rate to customers than you pay your employees, you may want to uncheck this checkbox. To save your changes, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.